Do you know how many people speak Spanish? I will tell you. Hello Global Family, I am Rosa León and you are in my channel to learn a second language easy and Peasy. Vamos a hablar de que el español está de moda. In a previous video, I told you before, because business reason, first the people speak English, second Mandarin, and third Spanish. Also, I told you because tourist reason, because population reasons, well, the people speak Mandarin first, second English, and third Spanish. That's numbers changed. Yeah. Still, for business reason, most the people speak English first and Mandarin and Spanish second, in second place, both of them. And for population, the first one is Mandarin and the second now is Spanish and then English. And for touring reasons, Mandarin, Spanish and English. So far, Spanish is the second most popular language speaking around the world. English continue being the first one for business reasons, but many people, a lot of people is learning Spanish for business reasons because it's a lot of Spanish population and for tourist reasons. So, if you are not learning Spanish yet, what are you waiting for? You have plenty of reasons to learn Spanish. Let's talk about that next. Reason number 2, viajar, to travel, viajar. So far in 2019, many people is traveling to these 3 destinations: Spain, Caribbean islands, and South American countries. Yeah, and they are waiting in 2020 more people will travel to those places. Yes, so a lot of people want to learn about Spaniards, countries, about our cultures, our language, and they really enjoy many things in Spain, or for example, places like all Europe places in a Spaniard way in Spain. Yeah. And beautiful beaches in the Caribbean, amazing, nice places and food in South America, yes. So far, a lot of people is trying to learn Spanish so they can go to those places for tourist reasons. Number 4, reason number 4, gastronomic, gastronomía, food. Yeah, many people is talking about, for example, paellas, jamón serrano, all that's amazing food the people eat in Spain. Yes. Also, a lot of people love, for example, the Peruvian cuisine in Peru and the Mexican food. But because the Mexican food is very easily to find in any country, many people is loving to go to Peru to try their food. And also right now, because the Venezuelan people is around the world, well, the people is knowing about arepas. The arepa is a traditional food, a traditional dish in Venezuela. Well, so far is doing very well around the world. So many people is talking about that South American food. So a lot of people wants to learn Spanish to go to those places to pronunciate those meals, those foods, because they are really enjoying this South American, Spaniard, Caribbean food. Reason number 3, music. Yes, music. So far, a lot of people is enjoying the Latin music, a lot. So many people want to learn what is that music about, what is the lyric about. They want to understand. A lot of people is trying to sing in Spanish, but they want more than sing. They want really understand what is the music about. So far a lot of people is trying to learn this beautiful language because the music is very popular right now. For example, to dance bachata, kizomba, and salsa. Those three. Kizomba is not a Latin American music. Also, you can check here in my videos how to dance kizomba and also how to dance bachata. But bachata and salsa are very Latin, and also the merengue. A lot of people is going right now to many places to learn how to dance bachata, how to dance merengue, how to dance salsa. They are learning about the music, they are learning about the dance, they are learning the steps, and they want to know what this music says, what the lyrics says. So this is a very popular one. Number 3 right now, the reason number 3 why the people want to learn Spanish. Many people are trying to learn Puerto Rican salsa, Cuba rumba, Brazilian samba, Dominican Republic merengue, Dominican Republic bachata, Venezuelan salsa, Argentina tango, and Latin merengue. The reason number 2 why the people want to learn Spanish so far and why now Spanish is in the second place as a most speaking language is education. Educación is an educational reason. Yes. Well, let me tell you this. Here in United States, a lot of schools, they are adding now in their curriculum Spanish. Before was optional, yeah, and still is optional, but most of the schools, they don't want to do it optional. So, like for example, here so far in Colorado, the 90% of the schools, 90% they teach Spanish at least 1 hour in a week. Others, they try to teach 3 hours in a week, and others, they are just a not complete subject like the others. In UK, the people is trying to learn so hard Spanish. Well, the British Council, yeah, that English institution, British Council, which the first goal is to teach English and the second is French. They make a research, and most the students in high school, what they want to learn is Spanish. So far French goes down. The student doesn't want to choose anymore French. They want to choose Spanish. And so far all the tests about Spanish language in the Spanish curriculum, the students are getting a high levels. Yeah, very high grades in Spanish because they want to take Spanish in college. So many of them are approving with a very high level of Spanish, and they are working very hard. And this is the results in 2019. They make a prediction about 2020, most the students will choose Spanish than French. So they are taking hours for French and teachers, and they are hiring more Spanish teachers. So a lot of people is trying to learn Spanish around the world. And the reason number 1 is professional. La razón profesional, because a lot of industries around the world, many companies, they are asking for people who can speak Spanish. Yes, so they want to make businesses with Spanish countries. They want to engage the Spanish community. So they need professional people who can speak Spanish with their customers. So many banks right now, when you call the bank, they are offering you the option to speak with somebody in Spanish. Not only the banks, but the banks, they are doing a lot. Many companies, when you call them or when you go to the website, they are giving you the opportunity to speak with somebody else in Spanish. And they are hiring people who can speak Spanish because they want to offer support and they want to encourage the Spanish speakers to come to their business. So now, in the moment you apply for a new job in a big company and you want a promotion, well, you have to offer Spanish as a second language. So please, this is a very good reason to learn a new language, in this case, Spanish. I just told you the 5 most popular reasons why the people is learning Spanish now in October 2019, and the research say in 2020 will be more. Well, so far is because traveling, viajar, gastronomía, food, music, música, educación, and professional reasons, razones profesionales. So, if you want to learn Spanish, what do you have to do? Practice and try. You can do it. Believe me, it's not so difficult and it's a very romantic, funny, incredible language. What you can do here? Well, I am offering you 2 things. The first is watch this video as many times you need. In this channel is for free. You can watch my videos, you can comment your questions. Any doubt you have, I will answer you very soon. And this is for free. But also, if you want to really improve what you are learning here in this channel, you can buy one of the Spanish books I offer in here because they are very good. And you can ask me by email about my tutoring lessons. I have tutoring lessons online and I will help you a lot. Believe me, my students learn very fast Spanish, so I will help you, but for a very reasonable price. So what do you have to do is, first, subscribe. If you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe and watch all the videos as time you need and ask me in the comments. Second, buy a very good book. So go to this video and you will find out there which one are for me the best 5 Spanish books to learn this language. And third, send me an email here, easympc1@gmail.com, asking me for the tutoring lessons. We can have an arrangement so you can practice and you can improve this beautiful, amazing, and very important language. If you are subscribed already, thank you. Thank you so much for being here. But if you are not subscribed yet, we can fix that here. Just click there. It's very easy. And baby, you can watch the next video. And also the videos are up. Okay, so let's stay connected together so you can continue learning Spanish. Y si tú hablas español y no estás hablando inglés y no estás entendiendo este video, significa que tienes que practicar. Así que también suscríbete aquí porque ya tú hablas una de las lenguas más importantes en el mundo, que es español, pero te falta inglés y verás que te comerás el mundo hablando las 2 lenguas. Bye bye, que estén bien.